Good evening. I'm a special educator from UAE. I'm Sanina. So we will be discussing today about spacing. How important is spacing? When it comes to writing or framing a sentence, how important is spacing which help our kids to differentiate between letters and words? So we are going to discuss few strategies how to improve the spacing skill in our kids. So when the spacing skill is very low in our kids, that is really going to affect them in a negative way in their academic as well as in their abilities to perform well in writing and copying skills too. So we are going to see some strategies how we could improve these skills. I'm going to show the first thing is differentiating. Differentiating spaces. Like you vocalize, there is a space. I'm going to show a few examples. Okay, I'm going to get that. Okay, I have put up a sentence over here. I hope you can see that. I love cats. Yeah, it is. I love cats. So I have placed my magnets, which I really use it for all my therapy session. So this is how I use it. I make my kids to identify and differentiate what is spaces and the relationship between a letter and the words. I hope you can see them really clearly. I'm going to get them very close. I hope now it's fine. All right. Okay, so these are the words I love and then cat. Okay, so there are three words. Okay, there are three words I love and cat. And then I'm going to ask them to count how many spaces. There's just one and two. Those are the magnets, so it's really clear to them there are only two spaces. And then what I'm going to do, then I'll ask them if they are really clear with spaces. And then the next step is asking them to vocalize, like after I, you verbally prompt the child to say I space love space cat. This is the next step. And then you can ask the child to, so first you're going to introduce this to them. Okay, I'm going to remove this magnets. Okay, very gently. Okay, I'm going to put them back because I have another strategy for you. So this is, oh, sorry for that. So this is my sentence. I hope you can see them very clearly. I love cats. So I'm going to instruct my child to put a pizza in large space. Okay, when you have a large space, you put a pizza there, and then when the spaces are very short, that is between the letters love, I'm gonna ask them to add little lollipops. So 4 lollipops in between them. So these strategies will really help them to identify, to differentiate between letters, and they are not going to squish letters and words. So I hope these strategies have helped you better. We'll see soon in the next video. Thank you.